So hey guys, it's my day off. So look at this. I got these in today. Page Vine, strawberry sprinkles, confetti's phrase. It says it's a tinted lip balm. See how I like it? What do you think? First time trying it? I'm trying it live and in person. I got 3 of these, and it says soft, silky, and irresistibly sweet. It felt like the indulgence in the warm taste of a donut on a lazy Sunday morning. Guys, I've always been looking for new lip glosses because mine got discontinued. So this is from Icy Queen, and it says the essence of you enchanted. And because you know God told me I'm a queen in God's kingdom. So this is a surprise that came in today. God is so good. Here, I don't know how to open it. Hold on. Made me think of my friend Brittany. She was trying to do an opening thing and she wasn't going to open it online. And I don't know what I'm thinking of doing this. I don't know how to open this. But it's a necklace and I wanted to show it to you. Hold on. How do you do it? It says push. Oh, okay. It opens like this. Check this out. It's from a different company. It's called Icy Queen. And I got it to mix with my other necklaces. Check it out. Hold on. I'm trying. It's like, you know, these clasps, so I'm used to the magnetic ones, which I like so much better. It says, the essence of you enchanted, Icy Queen. And guys, I got a soft heart. I can't believe God brought those into me today. What do you think? My hair was back because of doing that. Comment down below, what do you think? It might not be laying correctly. I can't see because I don't have my, I just put this on while I'm doing a video. I wanted to make this a short to just say, hey, guys, I know, don't make any more comments that the will is flowing in Kurdistan. I know, I did a short. Before I even left for the farm, I did a short. That was my intel summary because that's the most important news we've gotten in a long time. So I'm not doing my intel summary tonight because I'm going to spend some time with my hubby. Tomorrow I might do 3 lives though. So what do you think of the necklace? It's called Icy Queen. The essence of you enchanted. Guys, I love it. It came in today. That was a sign of God's goodness. What do you think? I am getting some sun. So listen, this one, the top is broken or something. I don't know what to do with it, but at least I got 3. And this one is the way it's supposed to look. So this one works. Comes out very generously. What do you think? Comment down below. Guys, I love you all. I love being girly. So guys, I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you later. The horses, I loaded a short with the horses and my hubby, so go watch it, and I'll see you tomorrow, live at 9, and I'll see you then. Bye.